Here is the new warning sign from the UK about AI and jobs. Fresh research and survey data show job anxiety is rising as companies adopt artificial intelligence faster. First, the worker survey. Recruitment firm Randstad surveyed thousands of employees and found that more than a quarter of UK workers fear their jobs could disappear within 5 years because of AI. Randstad also found a gap between employers and workers. 2/3 of UK employers said they invested in AI during the past 12 months. More than half of workers said more companies are encouraging AI tools on the job. Yet nearly half of UK office workers said AI will benefit companies more than employees. Randstad said this mismatch can leave workers vulnerable if they underestimate how quickly tasks will change. Workers also reported mixed results. About half said AI has improved their productivity. Now the separate study. Investment bank Morgan Stanley surveyed companies that have used AI for at least a year across 5 industries: consumer staples and retail, real estate, transport, healthcare equipment, automotive. The study found British companies reported net job losses linked to AI down 8% over the past year. That was the highest net job loss rate among the major economies included in the comparison, such as the US, Japan, Germany, and Australia. At the same time, these businesses reported productivity gains averaging 11.5%. The study also said companies were most likely to cut early career roles. Jobs that typically require 2 to 5 years of experience were singled out as at risk in the UK sample. Why this anxiety is growing? Rising business costs, higher taxes, and tighter hiring conditions are adding pressure alongside automation. UK unemployment has been described as at a 4-year high in recent coverage. Leaders and experts are calling for action. Some argue governments and businesses must invest in retraining and create clear transition plans to avoid social fallout. Now, why this matters for us audiences? The UK is a real-time case study for what could happen as AI adoption accelerates, especially for entry-level and early career paths that many Americans rely on to get started. If companies use AI to plug skill gaps instead of training new hires, the pressure shifts onto workers to upskill faster. Bottom line: AI can boost productivity, but without training and worker protections, anxiety rises, and entry jobs can shrink first. Follow for updates as new surveys and company plans reveal how fast the labor market is changing.